Let's see, who's out there watching this? Hmm. Oh, I see Isabella's here today, and I see Jonathan. Who else? Tell me your name so that I can make sure I learn it. Okay. Baby Echo's flying all around to listen to all of you tell me your names and coming back to tell me so that I know who's tuning in and working hard. Let's go ahead and do our warm up. A apple A safe A. E ed E P E. Did you notice that we're doing the short vowel and then the long one? Good. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. Show me with your hand how you would mark a short vowel. It's like a smile. And how would you mark a long? Remember, it's called a brev. How would you mark the long vowel? It's a line called a macron. Okay, one more. You uppa, you mule you rule oo. Fantastic job. And now let's look at our R controls. That's right. You know I love to bust out my pirate hat when we do these. Here they are. And remember that this is its own syllable type because the R is bossy, it's controlling. That's why we call them R controlled. Here we go. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, UR, burn, Fantastic. Goodbye, pirate hat. And let's get into our trick word contest. Who is going to read them first? Will it be you or will it be me? Let's go ahead and pick a few units to do. And here we go. Would, could, should, her, over, number, say, says, see, between, each. Ooh, I went fast today. Did you beat me on any? Good for you if you did. All right, let's review some words. I'm going to build them and I want you to practice reading them. Okay, notice it's vowel consonant E. What does the word say? Joke, joke. What if I change out the beginning sound? What does it say now? Oak, poke. What if I change out the vowel sound from O, not a long O anymore, to I? Ike, pike. What if I change the K to an L? What do we have now? Aisle, pile. Let's change out the beginning sound now. What does my word say now? Digraph at the beginning? While. Let's get rid of that and clear it to make a new word. All right, tap it and read it to me. Dine, dine. And what if I got rid of the E? What would it say? Din. Long I, short I. Long I, short I. Okay, dine. What if I change the d at the beginning to the F? Fine. From dine to fine. And I'll do one more change. What if I change my consonant here to an R? What's our word? Fire. Very good. Okay. And I want to practice a little bit more reading with all of you. So I am going to write out a sentence we'll do two sentences. And I want you to try to read the sentence with me. Okay. I'll write one word at a time and you try to read it as I go, and then we'll read the whole thing together smoothly. Notice that I capitalized this one because it's a boy's name. Okay, let's do it together now. You should have already done it by yourself. My friend Mike got the prize. My friend Mike got the prize. Which words are vowel consonant E? Mike and prize. Very good. Let me erase and we can read one more sentence. Okay, here we go. I started with an uppercase. It's a word you can tap out, vowel consonant E. Noisy TH on this one. A trick word coming at you next. And then a vowel consonant E. Let's read it all together. I like that other tune. Now let's do it smoother. I like that other tune. I like that other tune. What is a tune? It's like a song. Yeah, musical song. So that means the person likes the other song. Okay. Are you ready to learn something new now? Good. We are going to be talking about suffix endings. Let me go grab one. Ta-da! Remember this? It's on this special yellow color, and we usually circle our suffix endings. That's why it's still circled. And this is just the suffix s. Do you know any other suffix endings? Please hold. Ta-da! Es, ed, when something happened in the past and it's pronounced d, id, or t. And what's this one? Ing for something happening right now. Okay. So sometimes when we have vowel consonant E, we'll also have a suffix ending. So let's look at this word that we had before. We have the base word fire, but now we have our suffix added. So when we read these, we should read it one part at a time. We're going to read the base word first, fire, and then the whole word, fires. And to mark it, we would still underline the base word, or we could scoop it. We can still label what kind of syllable that is, and then circle our suffix. It's very important that when we read them, if it's not a word we can read quickly, that we kind of just look at the base word first so that we don't miss that E, making the vowel say its name. Okay, base word, then whole word with the suffix. Let's read a couple of more. Okay, here's our next word. Let's kind of cover up the suffix and read the base word. What does it say? Hope. And now add the suffix, hopes. She hopes that you like the cake. Hopes. Okay, let me spell away hope. H-O-P. And let's do one more word. Okay, practice reading it. Cover the suffix ending. What is our word? K-ake, cake. Now read the whole thing. Cakes. I love your cakes. You made a bunch of good cakes. Okay. Notice we just added the S. So when we are trying to spell these words, you would repeat it. So if I said hopes, you would say back hope. And then I would say, what's the base word? You would say it's just hope. And then we would tap out hope. Hope. And we would always start by writing just the base word. Then we would say, what do we have to add to make it say hopes? Then we'd put the S. Okay, it's very important that we do the base word first, then add the suffix. Are you ready to try some? Okay, I want you to please get your Velcro board. You're going to be building words using your tiles. Okay, let's do a little warm up. What says eh? Point to the letter that says eh. Should be pointing to E. Good. What says A? Pull down what you need to make the sound A. And it should look like this. A, consonant E. Okay, let's go ahead and do some words. Your first word is kites. What's the base word? Kite. Let's tap it. Kite. Go ahead and build kite and then make it say kites. I kite. And then don't forget the original word was kites. So you need your suffix S, the fancy color yellow, the highlighter yellow. Kites. Good job. Check yours to mine and let's spell it away. Okay. Make sure you put them back in the right spot. I-T-E. Suffix S. Kites. Great. Let's try one that has a blend. Repeat after me. Grapes. What's the base word? Grape. Just one grape. Let's tap it. G-er-ape. Okay, spell it out. Build it on your bottom of your board. G-er-ape. And the E to make it say grape. Grape. Now make it say grapes. Add that suffix S. Grapes. Check it to mine and then let's spell it away. Ah, my suffix S spelled. G. Put them back in the right spots on your board. Pause if you need more time if I go faster than you. R. A. P. E. Suffix S. Okay, writers and readers, let's do another one. Repeat after me. Homes. There are a lot of homes on this street. What's the base word? Home. Let's build home. Huh. Oh. Really repeating those sounds to help you hear them all. And then make it say homes. Add the suffix after you do the base word. Check it to mine and let's spell it away. H O M E suffix S. Okay, last word. Repeat after me. Stones. There were a lot of stones in the road. What's the base word? Stone. Tap out stone. St-own. Okay, build it. Get that blend at the beginning. St. Okay, now what's going to make the O say O? Stone. Stone. Once you have stone, add your suffix S. Make it say stones. Fantastic. When you're done, let's spell it away. Stone. Suffix S. Great job, everybody. Make sure your board is neat and you are done for today.